You have a wholesale license. You got that for one reason, right? Because you want to order t-shirts at full price, right? Absolutely not. You want t-shirts for the best price that you can get, the lowest price. That's why you got a wholesale license. If you can order t-shirts at wholesale, why should ordering DTF transfers not be any different? Supreme Screen Supply is that company that delivers wholesale transfers to wholesale license owners at a cost that is just absolutely amazing. For example, most companies for a 22 by 22 inch sheet will charge anywhere from $30 on up. Supreme Screen Supply, 24 inches by 24 inches will cost you about $12.08. At only $3.02 for a 12 by 12 fully digital color image, the sky is the limit, guys. So what are you waiting for? Go out to supremescreensupply.com and order your DTF transfers today. The cool thing is you can order in RGB, you can order in CMYK, it does not matter. You also can order neon colors if you're into neon colors. So Supreme Color DTF transfers are where it's at when it comes to being a business owner. Now, if that wasn't enough for you, here's another incentive. When you sign up, you get $25 off your first order. If that wasn't enough, you also earn points for every order you submit. Those points convert into dollars, okay, that you can apply towards your orders. What we're doing this week for all of you guys watching this video is we're offering a Black Friday code at 25% off that you will see right here. Now, the cool thing about this code is it is unlimited until it expires. So get to ordering, guys. It doesn't matter how many times you use it, but once it expires, that's it. So get to designing, get to ordering. Amazing stretchability, amazing quality from SupremeScreenSupply.com.